Hey y'all, today's video I'm gonna make ogura matcha cake. It's so delicious, so easy, let's just get started into it. In a bowl, add 2 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, and 40 grams of water. Mix them all up together until it's fully combined. 40 grams of all-purpose flour. If you live in Indonesia, add 1 pack of chocolatos matcha, but if you don't, you can add a half teaspoon of matcha powder. Mix everything up until you get a smooth batter. 25 grams of cooking oil and mix everything again. And after that, set it aside. In another bowl, add 2 egg whites, 40 grams of sugar, and a teaspoon of lime juice or lemon juice. Trust me, you need a hand mixer for this because if you don't use it, you're gonna break your arm. Just kidding. Anyway, mix these guys up in a high speed until it forms stiff peaks. This might take 5 to 8 minutes. Or until you can flip the bowl upside down and the egg white mixture doesn't fall off. Add around a cup of egg white mixture to the matcha batter and then slowly mix them together using a folding technique. Make sure that everything is fully combined before you add the next mixture. And after that, pour the batter into the pan. I already greased the pan with butter and dust it with flour, but you can use baking paper instead. Give the pan a little tap to release the bubbles out. Put it in the preheated oven, and in this one, we're gonna use a water bath method. Pour 500 milliliters of water to the bottom of the pan, and then we're ready to bake it. When it's done and while it's still hot, drop the pan forward 3 times. It's to release the heat inside the cake so it won't collapse when it's cool and it won't shrink to the middle. And after that, take the cake out of the pan and let it cool completely. Just look how beautiful that is. I really recommend to the people who watch this video to try this recipe because this cake is no joke. It's soft, it's really fluffy, it melts in your mouth. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching, y'all. Bye!